Okay, we're here with John Hicks just after a great win for the Cougars, 34-31 over Manheim Central. This was their first appearance in the district playoffs. John, tell me a little bit about some emotions. What's going on in your head right now?
I'm so grateful, all these guys out here. We played one hell of a game. We didn't have the offense in the beginning, but our defense picked it up. We rolled with it. Now we're moving on to the next game.
Hey, tell me when Smolk's kick went through the uprights. Just what do you remember about that?
I was relieved. These are the games I don't like. They come down the wire, but Smolk's real clutch, and I love him for that.
Hey, tell me about being in a game like this. Have you ever been in anything like this and been involved in any kind of a football game like this?
Not of this magnitude. This game, it was a big game for us. You know, we came through in the end, and we're moving on. That's all I got to say.
Hey, tell me your thoughts coming in. What were you guys thinking coming in here?
Yeah, you know, everyone says they're Manheim Central. There's a big powerhouse. You know, we didn't care about that. We knew they were a good football team. We're a good football team. We came out. We proved that.
Hey, you guys had a little trouble moving the ball. What was going on with the offense, especially early on?
You know, I don't know. I can't say what happened. I don't even know. But you know, they're a good defense, and our offense just wasn't there. But you know, we had to play all three parts of the game, and we did that.
Hey, tell me about your game tonight. I thought you played a heck of a game. What did you feel like you had to do tonight just to help your team win?
You know, I had to make big plays in key situations, and I think I made a few of those. You know, but all the other guys, they made great plays. George Robertson had an interception for a touchdown. That was huge. And all these guys, we all made plays all night.
Hey, and beginning of the season, did you guys think that this was possible? Did you think that this was, John, that this was something that you guys could do, get here and just be in this game?
Yeah, we always set high goals, and you know, we weren't expecting to play Manheim Central, but it came out that way, and it didn't matter who we played. You know, we just kept trucking, and we got it done.
Hey, what did you know about those guys? What did you know about Central coming in? What was kind of the game plan with this
Oh, we knew they were a great football team. They ran the ball a lot. You know, they'd run the ball, and then they throw an occasional pass, catch you off guard. But you know, we stuck it out, and we got it done.
Hey, John. As far as your first district playoff in school history, I think it's kind of something that, you know, maybe you won't realize the magnitude of it until after, you know, maybe even after your career's over. Can you put that into perspective, just the history of it?
You know, it's been a long drought since Kamar's been in the playoffs. And, you know, it's definitely great for the community. You know, all these fans out here that came and supported us, and we really fed off that, and we got the job done, 34-31. It's a victory, baby.
Hey, John, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it, and good job, and good luck. Just keep it going.
Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot, man.